In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable transfer to HomePod feature on iPhone. Alright, let's get started. From your home screen, the first thing you'll want to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a little and tap on General, since that's where Apple places most of these system-wide features. Now that we're in General, scroll down a bit more and tap on AirPlay and Continuity. This section lets your iPhone seamlessly interact with other Apple devices, like your HomePod, Mac, or Apple TV. Here you'll see the Transfer to HomePod toggle. To enable this feature, just tap the toggle so it turns green. Once it's on, your iPhone can automatically transfer audio to your HomePod when you bring your phone close to it. For example, if you're playing music, podcasts, or even a phone call, you can hand off the audio directly to the HomePod without any extra steps. And that's it. Once this feature is turned on, your iPhone and HomePod work together smoothly, making it easier to switch your audio from one device to another. You can just exit settings and the feature is ready to go. So now you know how to enable the transfer to HomePod feature on your iPhone, making your Apple ecosystem even more connected and convenient.